Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. जैसे बिरयानी की जान होती है गरम मसाले में, वैसे ही सैलेड की जान बसती है उसकी ड्रेसिंग में। ड्रेसिंग अगर सही नहीं हो तो सैलेड का न्यूट्रिशन और टेस्ट दोनों वेस्ट हो जाता है। Today, I'm going to make one of our most popular and most used dressings, the Tahini Salad Dressing. It's also one of the most requested recipes, hence, I have decided to show you how to make tahini from scratch. It's made with sesame seeds, which is a great source of fats, healthy fats, calcium, magnesium and iron. तो शुरू करें? तो tahini बनाने के लिए हम sesame seeds का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। They are not roasted. हिंदी में इसे तिल भी कहते हैं. White sesame seeds. So we just take around a little more than half a cup. इसे roast करेंगे हम. Increase the flame a little bit. You have to make sure that all the moisture is absorbed. See, it started to pop. Can you see that? When that happens, that means it's ready. Now, just switch it off. Now you take your blender jar. Now make sure you blend it when it is hot because it has its own oil to make sure you have the right consistency. Add in the olive oil. Add in your sea salt. You can actually try this with different nuts to make nut butter. You can try it with pistachio, peanuts, almonds. कितना आसान है ये बनाना. Smear them on toast. That is so good. Perfect tahini. This is how it looks. So now we make our dressing. So we take around 5 tablespoons of tahini, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon and a half of maple syrup, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, two and a half teaspoons of lemon juice, quarter teaspoon of pepper, salt and a teaspoon of olive oil. As you can see, it's a bit thick, so we will add a bit of water, around a tablespoon or 2 of water. You see that? When you're making dressing of any sort, always check and make sure that the balance of the sweet with the salty is right? Yummy. You have to try this. It's unbelievably simple and so easy. The trick with dressing is that you have to get all your ingredients and the balance right with accurate measurements. So fresh tahini will last you for at least 12 to 15 days in the refrigerator. We've put no preservatives in it. And your salad dressing, your tahini salad dressing will last you for a good 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. So you go and try this tahini salad dressing out, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye swasth raho, mast raho.